Hello everyone, this week we're going to be covering short multiplication, long multiplication and division. So today we're just going to be focusing on short division, which is 2-digit numbers times by a 1-digit number. The things you need to remember about short multiplication is that it is 2-digit numbers times 1-digit numbers. The bigger number always goes on top, just like we did last week with our addition and subtraction. The elephant goes on top and the smaller number goes underneath. The steps for short multiplication. So I'm going to spell them out one by one and then I'll show you the short multiplication dance. Step number 1, line up the place values. You're now in term 3 of grade 4. You don't actually have to write out UTH, but you know that they're there. Step number 2, write the bigger number, which is the 2-digit number, first in the correct place value column. Please do not write the unit number under the thousands column. You're going to completely change the number if you do that. Step number 3, write the smaller number, which is the 1-digit number, underneath in the correct place value column. Again, it's only 1 digit long. Please don't write it under the hundreds column. Make sure you write it under the units column. Step 4, you're going to start from the units column and you're going to do the dance. The dance is up, so which means you multiply the unit number by the unit number. And the next dance move is left. So you're going to multiply the unit number on the bottom by the tens number on the top. Step number 5, if the answer is more than 10, so 10 or 11 or 12, etc., then you're going to carry the tens number to the tens column and you're going to add it later. So step 6, if there is a carried over value, you're going to add it only after you have multiplied. Here's the short multiplication dance. I hope you can dance along to it. It starts with up and left. Let's do a quick example of short multiplication. We're going to use the vertical method. So our example is 48 times 7. So we need to line up our place value columns. We write our bigger number first and our smaller number underneath. So our bigger number is 48. Write the ant underneath, which is 7. And now we start the short multiplication dance. First step is up, so 7 times 8 is 56. So we're going to put the 6 down because it's a 2-digit number. So we put the 6 down and we carry the 5 over to the tens column. And we're going to add that later. Okay, the next dance move is left. So 7 times 4 is 28. And 28 plus 5 is 33. So we're going to place the unit number 3 in the tens column, and then we're going to carry the 3 over to the hundreds column, but because there's no numbers to hold it there, we're going to just pop it into the answer row. So our answer there is 336. Boys and girls, it's now your time to multiply the following numbers using the vertical method. 34 times 8, 94 times 2, and 15 times 9. Please write these examples in your workbooks. So give yourself a brand new page, write today's date, and give the heading multiplication practice. Don't forget to underline the date and heading, and then you can work this out in your book, skip a line, and rule off when you're done. So pause the video now and get practicing. Let's take a look at the answers. We line up our place value columns. We've got our elephant on top and ant on the bottom. Start from the units column. Go up. 8 times 4 is 32. It's a 2-digit number, so put your 2 down and carry your 3 over to the next place value column. Next step is left. So 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. Put your 7 and carry your 2. But there's no numbers to hold it, so you can just pop it in the answer column. Your answer there is 272. Next one, we've got our line up our place values. Elephant on top, ant on the bottom, start from the units column. Our first dance move is up. So 9 times 5 is 45. It's a 2-digit number, so put down your 5. Carry your 4 over to the next place value column. The next bounce move is left. 9 times 1 is 9, and 9 plus 4 is 13. It's a 2-digit number, so put your 3 down. Carry your 1 over to the hundreds column, but because there are no numbers there, you can just pop it in the answer row to get 135. The last one, line up your place value columns, elephant on top, ant on the bottom. Start from the units column. First bounce move is up, so 2 times 4 is 8. There's no carrying over, which is fantastic. Next bounce move is left. 2 times 9 is 18, which is a 2-digit number, so put down your 8. Carry your 1 over to the hundreds column, but there's nothing in the hundreds column, so you can just pop it in the answer row, and you've got 188.